Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you, Jesus. My dad's pissing me off. He put a thing on the Facebook. Can you make this? It's beef braciole or braciole or braciole. I don't know, however you want to say it. It's so damn Americanized, it's ridiculous. Originally an Italian dish, came with a different name. I don't know what it is. We have so many ingredients. I haven't concluded making the dish, but I can tell you that the worst part of it is the prep. We got the filler, we got the beef we got to deal with, and then we got to make the sauce. Everybody makes it different. Everybody puts different ingredients in it. Some people braise in the oven. Some people simmer on the stove. Some people make the sauce separate. Some people deglaze after they sear the meat, and then they make everything in one pot. I'm doing it my way with what I think is going to taste good. So I'm going to talk you through this. We're going to flip on a music video. We're going to cook this thing. We're going to eat it. It's going to be the best damn thing. My dad's going to be mad he didn't come over because we didn't invite him. Here we go. So for the filler, pretty simple. Got about a half cup of breadcrumbs. I've got a lot of cheese going here. I got Romano and Parmigiano. I think I got about a cup of each, but I'm going to use maybe a half cup of each in my filling, and then I'm going to save some for, topping, making look pretty. And then I put like 6 cloves of garlic through the press to go in it. And then I have some basil and fresh parsley over there. Same thing. Some for garnish, some going in. And that's pretty much our filler. Oh, and olive oil. Yeah, and that's just the regular breadcrumbs, half cup. And then for the beef, once I get this thing butterflied, pounded down, roll everything in it with prosciutto, by the way, then I'm going to sear it really hot in a pan of olive oil, and I'm just putting whole garlic cloves in for aromatic, and they're going to come out and hit the garbage. They're just going to make the oil taste good. I'm going to make my sauce separate. I'm going to make the sauce in the Dutch oven, and I'm probably going to start that while this all chills out in the fridge. So for the sauce, basic mirepoix, right? So some olive oil, about a half of a finely chopped, or a half an onion finely chopped, and then a combination, almost a cup-ish of celery and carrot, pretty decently finely chopped. Small can of tomato paste, which will go in after these cook down a little bit and become translucent, and then we'll kind of toast off that tomato paste. Add some garlic to it, deglaze with a little bit of red wine, probably about a cup of red wine, and then in goes the beef broth, and then the large can of crushed tomatoes, so that 26 or 24 ounces, something like that. Mm-hmm. Crushed tomatoes, and that's pretty much it. We'll probably add some water to it at some point. Oh, and a little bit of red pepper flake, not a lot, I think. Oh, here is a tablespoon each of rosemary and oregano, and that's no, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Mm-hmm. See what? It's because I cut myself, see?
Yeah, I see.
It? Yeah, I cut my finger, now I can't even think. And then a half a teaspoon of red pepper flake. I think that's it, right? So we've done the hard part.
Yeah, that's it.
Now
we only have everything out on the
counter. Well, this part took me like an hour with all the garlic and everything. I'm pressing, and so this is the only thing really that's left to do. And then braising, I am going to braise in the oven, 375, an hour and a quarter until we're like probe tender. So yeah, just watch what we do. You know the ingredients.
Yep.
Watch and learn.
Can't wait. I'm hungry.
Hasta la vista. there's your mother flipping beef brazier or braciole.
It's 8:40 p.m. I am starving. Oh wow, that is really tender.
Told you. That's a big ass bite. Go for it.
Oh, I don't know if I could do that big, but all right, here I go. Oh man, honey, this is hot.
Told you.
Sorry, it's gonna take long. Hot. Mmm. The flavor, insane.
Have you ever had anything like it?
No, holy moly. Oh my gosh. Wow. So good.
Just open your mouth and put this in.
Mmm. Amazing, that sauce. Oh. Oh my gosh, honey.
You're welcome. Still haven't got the back rub.
I need a back rub.